Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the top best Mido Watches for Men 2024 based on specifications. All the watches product buying links are given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for my new videos notification. Number 7. Mido Ocean Star Green Dial Men's Watch. Silver tone stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating green ceramic bezel. Green dial with silver tone hands and dots hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal, screw down crown. Case size 42.5 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 6. Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph Watch. This exceptional Swiss watch is a tribute to the brand's oldest and most iconic chronograph, the Multichrono from 1937. It has a domed dial placed under a sapphire glassbox crystal and is equipped with a tachymeter scale. At the heart of the chronograph, the caliber 60 automatic movement. Case material, stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Thickness, 15.2 millimeters. Case length, 42 millimeters. Water resistance, 50 meters. Number 5. Mido Multifort Chronometer Blue Dial Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Blue dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal, screw down crown. Case size 42 millimeters. Case thickness 11.99 millimeters. Bandwidth 22 millimeters. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 4. Mido Commander Big Date Swiss Watch. Stainless steel case with a two-tone silver and rose gold tone stainless steel bracelet. Fixed rose gold tone bezel. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Case diameter 40 millimeters. Case thickness 11.2 millimeters. Bandwidth 20 millimeters. Water resistant at 50 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second. Number 3. Mido Baroncelli Tradition Watch. It honors Mido's watchmaking heritage in its most timeless form. The harmonious lines and subtle curves bestow both a rare sense of elegance and tradition on this classical collection. Fitted with latest generation technology, the automatic movement can be admired through the transparent caseback. Case material, stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Case length, 39 millimeters. Lug width, 20 millimeters. Functions, small second. Movement, manual. Water resistance, 30 meters. Number 2. Mido Baroncelli Signature Watch. With the Baroncelli signature, Mido has created a mechanical and aesthetic success that is a perfect expression of its watchmaking know-how. Intensely chic and timeless, this Swiss watch houses an automatic movement. Case material, stainless steel. Case shape, round. Width, 39 millimeters. Case length, 39 millimeters. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 50 meters. Number 1. Mido Ocean Star GMT Watch. Mido enriches its Ocean Star collection with a version equipped with a very practical GMT function. It clearly displays the time in 2 different time zones, home time and local time. On the back of the watch, equipped with caliber 80, which offers a power reserve of up to 80 hours, Mido has engraved the time zone indications. Case material, steel. Case diameter, 44 millimeters. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 200 meters. Mido enriches its Ocean Star collection with a version equipped with a very practical GMT function. It clearly displays the time in 2 different time zones, home time and local time. On the back of the watch, equipped with caliber 80,